Morning, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Love 500 and welcome back to a product review. This is another cheap product that I got from AliExpress and it came yesterday. Haven't even opened the box yet. So it's a battery operated compressor to blow your tyres up without having to plug it into the mains and just hopefully by the touch of a button. Let's get into it, let's see how good it is. Let's get the box open to start with. So yeah, AliExpress, quite cheap. I can't actually off the top of my head remember how much it was, but I will put the price on the screen now. And as you can see from there, not badly priced. Don't know what it's going to be like, it might be a load of rubbish, but we'll have a look. Nicely packaged. It's quite light. It is quite light, but what have we got? So we've got a USB charging cable. Do we have an inbuilt battery? Yeah, I thought it was going to be a battery you could actually take out, but it's not. So you got an adapter for obviously normal car tyres, and then you got adapters there for various things, you know, blow up beds, footballs, all that sort of stuff. But my reason for it really is for tyres. So I've got no idea how you do it. Obviously you've got to turn it on, I guess. I don't know if there's any power in the battery. Yeah, there is. Not a lot, but there is some. So you've got a display on there. It shows kilograms centimetre squared. So whether we can change that to something else or not, I don't know. Let's have a look. Yes, you can. So you just press that button and it will change it to PSI. And probably bar as well, yeah, and kPa, kilos per whatever. Yeah, I don't know. But personally, I prefer PSI. So yeah, put it on the tyre, and presumably we just press the button. And in this case, nothing's happening. I don't know why. Does that mean? Oh, now it is. Oh yeah. It's cut out there. I put my finger over the end, probably for a reason. Probably some sort of thermal cutout, I imagine, but I'm not quite sure. It doesn't come on when you first press it. But yeah, I suppose the time will, the tester will be when I put it on a tyre, I guess. But first glance, not bad. So we'll press the button, hold the button, presumably to turn it off. What I'm going to do is I'm going to charge it up. So I say it comes with a little instruction leaflet here, user manual, fully charged before use it says. I'm going to charge it up now and then we'll come back once it's fully charged. We'll get it on a car and give it a try properly. But yeah, looks alright for the money. What do you think? We'll be back. So this tyre was a bit on the flat side. I plugged it in, it was at 9 psi. Within about a minute it's gone up to 14.5 psi. A bit noisy, but it's doing the job. And that I'm filming this video probably a month, if not more, after I first got this and charged it, and it's still got a good charge in it, and it's still doing its job. It's now up to 16 psi, so it's about halfway there. So it's probably going to take another 2 or 3 minutes to do it. But you know, for something so small and not very cumbersome, it's quite a good thing to keep in the boot of your car. So yeah, it's quite good. Yeah, it probably took 5 minutes to blow that up to 30 psi. So that's not bad, is it? Something that's really, really light. It weighs next to nothing. It's got a torch on it as well. I don't know how you turn that torch off. I'm sure there's a way. It's, yeah, really good. Really, really good. I'll figure out how you turn that off in a second. But for the money, yeah, I'd recommend that. It's a good thing to keep charged up and keep in the boot of your car. Yeah, it's very good. It's still showing quite a high charge there. I don't know if you can see it. It's 3/4 charged, and that's not been charged. It hasn't been used, but it hasn't been charged for well over a month now, I think it is, since I started this video. So yeah, recommend that. What do you reckon? So yeah, that was just a cheap AliExpress buy. I'll put a link into it in the description if you want to get yourself one. Recommend it. It's a good little tool. Anyway, that's the end of that review. As I say, I have no connections with, obviously not with AliExpress. I have no connections with any companies, any products you see me test. I've bought those products myself, and I'm testing it just to show you what it's like. So that's the end of this one. As always, thanks for watching. Take care, stay safe, and we'll see you on the next one.